Hello everyone, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga classmates natin all over the world. Pakitype naman dyan sa ang country yung mga nakikinig right now. Hello, hello, hello. Ayun, hello everyone, hello everybody. I know that you're all excited no sa ating onboarding and trading execution. Okay, so I know excited na ba lahat? Ayun, we are from Canada, Philippines, meron tayong Taiwan. Ayun, dami natin right now, no? Okay. So, don't worry yung iba dito na hindi po nakapag-tune in. Don't worry because lahat po ng ating mga sessions are recorded. Ayun, naka-record na po tayo right now. And of course, hindi ko po papatagalin ngayon because I'm so excited din po na marami na naman tayong matututunan for today. And before po tayong mag-start, okay, pwede nyo pong i-ready ang inyong mga notebooks and ball pen. Okay, ready po natin yung mga notebooks and ball pen po natin. Okay, para po. Okay, ready na po. Yes, naka full capacity na po tayo right now. Ayun. Okay. So, we're going to size up for a moment kasi po yung ating tech team inaasikaso pa po. But, without further ado, let's start. Okay, nakamax na po tayo. I'm so sorry sa mga hindi nakahabol.
Ikaw ka pa sila.
Okay, don't worry kasi all of this are recorded naman po. Okay, so hold on muna guys. Let's prepare my slide. Okay, ready na po ba yung lahat? Are you ready? So, pakuha na lang po yung ating mga pens. Okay, ayun, ready na po. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and again guys, welcome po sa ating onboarding call. So, yung goal po natin ay ma-maximize po yung ating cheat codes. And this is also the beginner's guide. Okay? So, bakit importante po yung ating onboarding call at bakit importante na meron po tayong roadmap? So, when we talk about roadmap, so nakita nyo po dito, the roadmap. Trading foundations, habits and psychology, and execution skills. So, bakit importante po siya? Number one, it provides clear direction. So, I know maraming beginners ang nalilito kung saan magsisimula. So, itong roadmap natin ngayon, it gives you a clear step-by-step path para hindi ka mangapa or mag-random learning. Okay? Next, it prevents costly beginner mistakes. Okay? So, without guidance, beginners tend to overtrade. 'Di ba? Sino dito yung nagte-trade na? Hindi pa tayo nag-trading execution, wala pa tayong mga strategy, 'di ba? So importante po ito. Okay? So minsan nag-all in na tayo, maglipat-lipat ng strategy. So yung roadmap po, it helps you avoid mistakes na pwedeng mag-cause ng malaking losses. And ang goal ng roadmap, okay, it builds discipline and confidence. So trading is not just strategy, mindset po yung importante dito. So by following a structured process, natututo tayong maghintay, sumunod sa plan at magtiwala sa system natin. Okay? And next, it removes overwhelm and confusion. Okay? So, sa daming info online na pwedeng ikalito ng beginners. So, sino yung guilty dito? 'Di ba? I know na gusto po nating maging resourceful, pero kailangan, okay, nakabase pa rin sa foundation ng teachings natin dito sa community. So, kasi sa daming learning, no, sa info online na pwedeng ikalito ng beginners, the roadmap filters what you need to learn. Okay? Para hindi tayo ma-overwhelm. Okay? Next, yung goal natin dito, it focus on skill, not on quick profit. So guys, then again, hindi ito get rich quick scheme. The roadmap trains you to build real trading skills that can serve you long term. Okay? And it creates step-by-step progress. So instead of sabay-sabay ang aralin, the roadmap gives you basic, practice, execution, then consistency. Okay? Next, it develop the right trading mindset. So you learn to accept losses, control emotions, at mag-isip like a professional trader. So, hindi siya impulsive. Okay? And lastly, it guides you toward long-term growth. So yung goal po natin dito ay sustainability, hindi lang po one-time win. So yung roadmap helps you grow slowly but consistent. Okay? Ayun. Mahina po ba yung aking audio? Baka kay Sir John lang yung mahina. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yung iba na hindi makapasok, I'm so sorry, but the recording naman po is already available. Magiging available after this one. Okay? So, next, ito po yung ating roadmap. Okay? You can do a screenshot, walang problema. Okay? So, yung first thing po natin na gagawin, first, join tayo ng onboarding call. Next, you will join the official channels. Next, we have to set up your trading account. Next, we have to attend the Hero 30 training sessions. Next, we have to learn and use the trading tools. And lastly, to practice and build discipline. Okay, so first, yun nga, we have our onboarding call like this one. Okay, next, ito po yung ating official channels. Okay, so naka-join na po ba lahat? Make sure na legit po yun guys ha, make sure lang po na legit. So we have our Hero 30 group page. Okay, next we have our Telegram. Naka-join naman po. Okay, and also we have our VIP GC. So each GC contains 250 participants only. Okay, so that's why marami po tayong Hero 30 VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3. So don't worry kasi same lang po yung ano yung content ng 1, yun din po yung content ng 2, 3, and so forth. Okay, so we created multiple GCs kasi nagmamax na po yung capacity. Okay? So, in joining, okay, our onboarding call, ito po yung importante sa lahat para guided po tayo. Okay? So, anyway, sa mga hindi naman po maka-attend, don't worry because recorded naman po ito. And I do believe lahat po ng sessions, kailangan po siyang i-review up until makuha po natin. Okay? So, next, okay. Sa mga nagtatanong, Coach, bakit natatagalan yung pag-accept natin sa Hero 30 group page? It's because baka hindi po natin na-answer po lahat ng mga questions. Okay, like example, enrolled ba tayo? Because we have to understand na yung iba kasi nagjo-join sa group no, na hindi po member. So, of course, it's so hindi naman po siya fair sa lahat po ng nagbayad. So, kailangan po na naka-filter po lahat. Like, you need to answer this one, and then saang GC po kayo nakalocate para po mas madali po namin ma-identify. Okay? So, you need to answer this question. So, sa lahat po ng hindi pa po na-accept dito, you need to join again para ma-accept po kayo and make sure to answer the 3 questions. Okay? So, I hope that's clear. Okay? So, next, we para lahat po maka-join. Ayun, pwede na pong pumasok yung iba. Yehey! Pasensya na po guys, pasensya na po. Okay, so anyway, lahat ng mga andito sa naka-waiting po, you can join right now. Ayun, okay na, okay na. Okay, so that's great. Okay, pasensya na po. Talagang finex po natin para marami pong maka-join sa session natin because I know na hinihintay po ito ng lahat. So, hinihintay ko din po ito. I hope, okay? So, yung iba dito, guys, pasok-pasok. Yes, pasok po lahat. We are already 322, 323 na. Okay, yung iba umiiyak kasi hindi daw makapasok. Okay, don't worry. Okay, andito naman po tayo. Ayun, 321, 329. Okay. Co-host muna natin si Coach MJ, guys. Saglit lang muna, baka mawala po. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much. I hope that is clear. Okay, 327 na. Wow, dami natin ngayon ha. Okay, hold on. Okay. So again, so andito tayo ngayon sa roadmap, no? Sa mga hindi pa po naka-attend sa first part. Okay, sorry. Ayun. Ayun, sa roadmap tayo. Okay, sa roadmap po natin, again, so kailangan po natin mag-join ng onboarding call sa official channels, set up natin yung trading account, attend Hero 30 sessions, we need to learn and use trading tools, practice, and build discipline. Okay, so again, ito po yung ating official channels. So make sure po guys na naka-join po tayo dyan. And, okay, I know na naka-join na tayo ngayon sa onboarding. So, para ma-approve po tayo, make sure masagot po lahat ng mga questions sa mga bago na andito. Kailangan po masagot kasi automatically decline. So, we have to understand na it's so unfair din po sa lahat ng mga nagbayad na magpapa-join lang tayo ng click. Okay, wag na po tayong mag-click ng iba pa. Okay, so clear po ba yun? Okay, so, okay. Ayun. Next, ito po yung mga important reminders po natin. Okay, important reminders. Number 1, do not refresh the page once open. Okay, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-create, kailangan wag po nating i-refresh. Do not register directly to the website. And next, do not download the VP Markets app during registration. I hope that's clear. Okay? So, next. Ayun. For users outside PH, kailangan po natin gumamit ng VPN. Okay, bakit PH po yung gagamitin natin? Para less restriction po and less hassle. Okay, so select nyo po yung Philippine server. Okay, ito po yung VPN na recommended po namin. Potato VPN. And you don't need to buy. Huwag po kayong mag-alala kasi meron naman po silang 7 days trial. And then, afterwards, pwede nyo na pong i-delete. Okay? Para lang po makapag-create po kayo ng using Philippines. Okay? And use PH details if needed. So, kung wala naman po tayong mga Philippine details, like wala na tayong passport, wala na tayong, ano ba, mga Philippines na mga IDs, don't worry, you just need to approach your coach kasi po meron naman po yung ibang alternative. Okay? So, wag pong mag-alala. Madali lang po yan. So, the better lang po kasi si PH kasi less po yung kanyang restriction. Okay? Less restriction. Okay? So, sa pag-set up po ng ating account, mas maganda po na malagay po yung ating referrer para hindi po mawala. Okay? So, paano malagay or ano ba yung ilalagay? So, yung name po ng coach or messenger coach kung ano po yung ilalagay sa referrer. Okay? Next, ito din po. Ito po yung itsura ng MetaTrader 5. Sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga bago na mga andito. Okay, so sa pag-set up po ng ating demo, standard STP, USD, ito po yung leverage and yung balance. Okay, para po realistic. In preparation na po siya. Okay? So next, ito po yung nakikita ninyo, ito po yung nasa email. Okay, after registration, makikita nyo po ito. So, afterwards, the coach will ask, ano ba yung registered email? So, wag po ito yung isi-send niyo kasi sobrang confidential po ng MT5 login and password. Okay? Kasi yung iba, ito po yung sinesend. Okay? This is really confidential. Huwag nyo pong ibibigay yan kahit kanino. Okay? So next, yung email lang po yung hinihingi. Okay? Ng coach. Okay? Next, after registration, okay, you need to connect your MT5 platform. Okay? Para po dito, para pwede na tayong mag-trade. Okay? And ito siya, kung nakapag-start ka pa lang ng live, okay, huwag po kayong malito kasi live pa po siya muna. Pero afterwards, okay, you can create your demo. Okay, kasi yung nasa video, naka-live pa siya, pero don't worry, para mas maging verified na agad yung account mo. Pero don't worry, afterwards, you can create your demo naman. Okay? Next, ito po yung importante. And then, okay, again guys, huwag po tayong mag-create ng dalawang VT Markets account kasi nag-error po siya. So kung ano na po yung registered email ninyo, yun na po yung gagamitin po natin forever. Okay, so you can create 10 demo accounts, 10 live accounts under your name. Okay, so next, ayun. So ito na po siya yung itsura kapag nakapag-set up na tayo. Okay, again, i-watch nyo po yung tutorial po natin. Okay, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-create, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, so kung hindi po makuha, huwag nyo pong i-pressure yung sarili ninyo. I-watch nyo po over and over again. Okay, and I recommend na the moment that you will watch it, yung wala po kayong ginagawa. Okay, para po makapag-focus kayo at makapag-concentrate kayo. Okay? And follow the link. Next, yung complete na yung registration and connect it to MT5. Okay? So, good. Clear po ba? Ayun, umabot tayo ng 419 participants. Wow. Okay. So, clear na tayo dito, guys. Okay. Again, sa mga nagtatanong, Coach, paano kung hindi connected? Okay. So, don't worry. Okay. Huwag po tayong magpanik agad. Okay. Sa mga hindi po connected, okay. Ito siya, guys. Bakit importante pala na connected? Kasi number 1, you will get the 100% bonus. Number 2, if merong concerns about your VT Markets account, meron po kasi tayong assigned dedicated manager under our community. So kapag hindi po tayo connected sa community, mahirapan po tayo dyan. Okay? Pag merong mga problema. Okay? So much better po na nakakonect po sa team natin. Okay? So wag kang mag-alala kapag hindi connected. Okay? Kasi the moment, ito siya guys, again, importante ito ha, the moment na matapos nyo pong i-create yung inyong VT Markets account, isend mo po yung email sa coach mo para ma-verify niya kung connected or not. Kasi kung hindi siya connected, agad-agad po natin ma-resolve. Okay? Pag connected naman, good. Okay? Kapag hindi connected, number 1, email the VT Markets coach assigned because we will provide the letter format. Next, we need to wait for 3 to 5 days. Meron po yung process. Okay? Mag-i-email po yan agad si VT Markets sa inyo that we need to wait. And kung wala talagang option, like example, coach, ang tagal, hindi pa ako transferred. So, ano ba yung recommendation? The recommendation would be, you may use your family member's identification. Okay, so yung ID ng wife mo or yung anak mo, basta beyond 19 years old, pwede po. Okay, so you will use their proof of address. So, yung proof of address na gagamitin po natin, pwede po kayong mag-download ng GoTime. Tapos yung statement of account po doon, yun na po yung proof of address natin. Pwede din po cedula. Okay, hihingin po natin yan sa barangay. Okay? So, yung email, kayo na po yung mag-create. Yung way of deposit and withdrawal will be e-wallet such as GCash. Kasi hindi naman strict CBT Markets kung sa inyo nakapangalan. Okay? Para hindi po tayo ma-frustrate, okay? Para hindi po tayo ma-frustrate pagkaantay kasi ang tagal ng transfer. Okay? Kasi may process po talaga yan. Okay? I hope that's clear. Okay. I hope that's clear. Okay, sa statement of account, yung suggestion po is GoTime. Kasi kompleto po yung address po doon. Okay? So, go time po talaga yung hinihingi ng ating dedicated account manager. So, any concerns, okay, especially yung sa mga ID, sa proof of address, i-direct nyo po agad sa coach ninyo para siya na po yung mag-coordinate kay Miss Tin. Kasi kung tayo po isa-isa yung mag-coordinate kay Miss Tin, matatagalan. So, yung way of process, yung coach na po para directly po yung kanyang concern. Okay? Okay. So, clear po ba tayo dito, guys? So, sa mga hindi pa clear na connected or not, i-message mo na ngayon si coach mo para hindi po tayo magka-problema sa mga bonuses. Okay? I hope connected na po lahat. Okay? Sa mga hindi connected, again, i-email lang po, madali lang po yan. Kapag hindi pa talaga na-transfer, gawa na tayo ng another account. Okay. Next, we need to watch the Hero 30 session. So, again guys, nakaschedule po tayo. So, I understand na lahat po tayo dito excited, okay, sa mga sessions, excited po tayo na, coach, kailan ba yung next session? Okay, we have to understand na meron pong schedule yan. Every Wednesday and Friday lang po talaga yung sessions po natin. So, yung community po natin, we provided this week's schedule, okay, para lahat po ng araw, full pack. Okay, kapag walang session, ano ba yung gagawin? Pwede kayong mag-practice at your own pace kasi meron naman tayong MP5 demo. So, i-practice mo po yung pag-buy, yung pag-sell, familiarize nyo po yung sa mga execution. Familiarize lang. Okay? Huwag mo munang i-pressure yung sarili mo kasi lifetime ka naman na member dito. Huwag nating madaliin lahat. Okay? Kasi sa kakamadali natin, ako, baka masunog po tayo. Yung goal po natin is to protect your capital and let's learn, no, na maganda po yung learning process natin. Okay, wag tayong ma-pressure sa mga classmates natin. Okay, yung iba, okay, kung nagka-profit sila, sabihin mo, I am next. Kasi I know for sure, kung ikaw ay estudyante na talagang nagfa-follow naman, I know na ikaw na talaga yung next. Okay, so ito yung schedule, Monday, again sa SMI Live Coaching, sa batch 4, yung mga andito kasi, we have batch 1, 2, and 3. So sila, nakagraduate na yon. So sa live coaching, I know sa mga batch 4, mga jargons pa yung sinasabi ng mga coaches na andon. Okay, na sino ba yung assigned on that time. So I suggest na mag-observe ka muna kasi meron naman pong sessions for this. Okay. And next, we have the trading execution like this one. Okay, Wednesday and Friday. Ito po yung ating session. Okay, so if you wish na meron kayong family or friend or relatives na gustong mag-join sa community every Wednesday, and we have Wednesday, we have Friday, and we have Sunday na Forex webinar, okay, sa mga beginners if they want to join, okay? So anyway, nasa GC naman po yan. Okay, so I know that you're all excited with this. Okay, lahat po excited po dito, right? But we have sessions for this, the Smart Move Indicator and the Surefire. Okay, meron po tayong session for that. Okay, again, okay, we have session for that. So, wag muna tayong sobrang ma-excite. Okay, so ito po yung dapat po nating ma-learn. Okay, dito po tayo mas lalong ma-excite. The XAU Sniper and the US30 Scalping Strategy. Okay, kasi po naka-foundation po ito. Okay, kasi ito siya guys, I know, excited tayo dito, pero ituturo po ito sa mga upcoming session. So, for now, focus muna tayo sa strong foundation dahil tools are powerful only when you understand the basic. Again, lahat po ng indicators are used for confirmation only. Hindi po sila yung basehan sa entry po natin. So, mas importante po yung market structure, yung trend direction, the support and resistance. Again, indicators help confirms decision, not replace analysis. Okay? Importante po yan. Okay. So, ito po siya guys. Okay, ito po. Bukas meron po tayong XAU Sniper session with Coach Nars. Ito po yung reason why kung bakit maraming nagsa 7 digit sa community po natin. Okay, so much better wag po kayong mag-absent. Okay, sa mga available, okay, much better na andun po kayo sa session. Pero if not naman, meron naman po tayong recorded. Okay? Okay, clear po ba yun? Okay, clear naman. Ayun, excited na ako ugma. Okay, ako po, excited po ko ugma. Okay, so lastly, ito po yung pinaka-last. Practice and build discipline. So again po guys, meron lang po akong mga reminders. Konting reminders lang po because we want to enjoy this batch. Gusto ko po marami po tayong magsa 7 digit no sa batch na to. Okay? Parang ito po yung batch na record breaking. Okay? Kasi every batch merong 7 digit circle. Okay? So I hope marami po dito na makagraduate na ganun ang kinikita. So again, reminder lang kasi different timelines, we're all enrolled at different times, so our progress will naturally vary. So please follow the instructions given by your assigned coach to avoid confusion. Again, all the recordings and materials are in the Hero 30 Telegram channel. So coach, bakit hindi doon sa GC? Kasi sa GC, natatabunan. So lahat po, much better andun na po lahat sa Telegram. So coach, pagdating ko dun, walang mga text, scroll up mo. Kasi andun po. Okay? So kindly scroll up, check the pinned and previous post before asking. Okay? So next, backread tayo guys. Okay, importante po yan. Mag-backread po tayo. Huwag nyo pong i-pressure yung sarili natin because iba-iba po yung progress. Everyone has different learning pace and timeline. So yung goal po natin ay focus on your own growth. Okay, focus mo po. And eto, different time zones po tayo. We have different time zones in the community. So yung goal po namin, kahit na, kasi nasa Pinas po kami, pasensyahan nyo na po, medyo madedelay po talaga yung respond kasi iba po yung time zone po natin. So anyway, we will make sure na 24 hours, within 24 hours, okay, masasagot po namin lahat ng mga messages. Okay, patience na lang po. Okay? And yung sa atin ay group coaching setup. So please remember that you enroll in a group coaching program. Hindi po siya one-on-one coaching. Kung gusto mo magpa one-on-one coaching, meron po yang different fee. Okay? Kasi po, ikaw lang po talaga yung student doon. So kung gusto mo, okay, we can set you up. Okay? Pero, we really suggest na mag-graduate ka muna. Okay? Kasi kung gusto mo magpa one-on-one, sayang din. Diba? Dito yung sessions po natin. Okay? So, kindly allow at least within the day for your assigned coach to respond. Okay? So, kung 1 week na, nako, malaking problema na yun. Okay? Or 2 to 3 days. Okay? So, kami, kahit within 24 hours, bigyan niyo lang po ng time. Okay? Next, accountability as learners. Before asking questions in the GC, i-review nyo po muna yung instructions. 2 to 3 times. I-review nyo muna. Okay? Baka andun lang. Okay? Kasi this helps build accountability and independence in your trading journey. So let's avoid being overly dependent and train ourselves to think and analyze. And of course, ito po guys, kapag merong mga ito na word, jargon to, ano ba to, dito nyo po magagamit yung pagiging resourceful. Okay? Kasi sobrang accessible na po yung internet. It's a powerful tool learning. So you can research, analyze, and understand. So maganda po kasi kapag ikaw, no, meron kang mga hindi naintindihan, madali lang po, meron na pong internet. Meron din pong chat GPT. So madali na lang po talaga lahat. Okay? Basta nakabase ka lang po dito sa session natin. Okay? Huwag kang mag-invent ng strategy nang hindi pa natin nadadaanan. Okay? So again guys, okay? Again, lahat po. Okay, meron po tayong different timeline and learning pace. There is no need to compare progress. You need to focus on your own growth. Okay, yun lang talaga. And of course, let's stay patient, focus, and committed to the process. Again guys, one step at a time lang po mga heroes. Okay, one step at a time lang. Huwag na nating i-pressure yung sarili po natin. Okay, kapag hindi maintindihan, coach, parang na-overload na ako sa information. Okay, bukas na naman ulit. Okay? Kasi wala naman po nagpe-pressure sa atin dito. Okay? So, actually guys, tapos na po ako. I know you're all excited with the trading execution. Okay? So, hindi ko na po papatagalin kasi medyo na-late na po tayo. Without further ado, let's all welcome yung walang ibang coach na grabe din mag-serve sa community natin. Let's all welcome Coach MJ Canoy.
Ayan, okay na ba? Ayan, let's go. Naputol, okay na ba? Yan. Comment number 1 if okay na. Ayan, thank you Lord. You've sustained us. Grabe, we've prepared for tonight but may mga ganito talaga guys, may mga hindi maiwasang bagay that we encounter but I am very grateful kasi andito kayo until now. Okay, let's go. Talagang binilisan na lang ni Coach Marge yung part niya kasi alam niya na andyan pa ako. Alright, so wow, let's proceed now to the market execution. Alam ko maraming may gusto sa topic na to. But let me pull up my slide. Ayan. Let me pull up my slide. All right. Okay, let's proceed sa onboarding which is ang topic natin right now is execution. Okay? And I'd like to encourage everyone here no with this quote from C. Laura. Sabi niya, consistency is more important than perfection. Do you agree? Comment number 5 if you agree. No? Kasi para sa akin guys, there's no such thing as perfection. For me, there's only growth. And growth happens when you are consistent. Alright? Daming nag-a-agree. And isa to, no, sa proof that you are consistently being present on those in these events, no? Akala namin kasi for the past few meetings, mga 300 below lang nag-a-attend. So we were really shocked na 468 plus kayo. Palakpakan naman natin yung sarili natin. And guys, gentle reminder lang, ay oro naman tayong recording nito, susundan nyo na lang to once you get the recording. And we will make sure right after this event, we will upload it. Okay? You have our word na i-upload namin agad. Okay? So please review the videos at least 2 to 3 times, no? Kasi bakit? You need to remember guys na kailangan natin na mag-repeat always, no? Repetition is the mother of all what? Learning. No, kaya you need to understand na i-review natin siya at least 2 to 3 times bago magtanong, hindi para hindi kayo sagutin, no? Baka sabihin niyo sa amin na ay, nako si coach hindi patient, no? You know what we want to happen to everyone here is for you to become independent traders. And most of the time, kapag inulit nyo panoorin, mas nagiging clear yung sagot. Again, trading is repetition, learning is repetition, mastery is repetition, and tonight guys, focus muna tayo in building foundations. So ano ba yung pag-uusapan natin? Ito yung overview ng mga pag-uusapan natin tonight. So we will cover how to create demo account. Alam ko marami sa inyo nagawa na to. Comment number 1 if nagawa nyo na yung demo account nyo. And how to connect it sa VT markets, no? Kasi ito yung pinaka challenging part simula pa lang. Ito yung nami-miss out. Kung nahirapan na kayo dito, nako, for the next upcoming, medyo challenging if you do not develop that patience and discipline na ulit-ulitin yung mga videos. Number 3, MT5 familiarization. And number 4, MT5 basic execution. Again, foundations is very important kasi kahit gaano kaganda ang strategy mo, kung mali ang execution, possible pa din mag-lose ka sa trades mo. Okay? So tonight is very important especially sa mga newbies. Okay? So let's proceed. What is a demo account and why you need it? Why do you need it? Okay? Simple lang, no? Si demo account po, it's a practice account. Virtual money siya, but real market movement. Okay? Bakit kailangan natin to? Number 1, kasi beginner pa tayo. We don't want you guys na pagpraktisan nyo yung totoong pera nyo. Gusto nyo ba yun? Gusto nyo ba yun? Sabihin namin, oh, maglagay ka ng $100 dyan, tapos mag-practice ka. Naku, di ba? And number 2, emotional pa tayo. Number 3, hindi pa solid ang discipline kaya maganda mag-backtest. Okay? Ano yung backtesting? Practice in short. No, kung ano yung mga natutunan mo, ipa-practice mo muna. Kasi imagine this, if nahihirapan ka sa demo account, what more sa live account? Kung sasabihin mo sa akin, hindi naman thrill yun. MJ, well, if you have a lot of money, go ahead, go to live account. But as for me, I do not suggest that, no? Kasi number 1, para ka lang nagsusugal dyan. Yan yung tawag natin na sugal. Okay? So, hindi tayo magla-live agad. We protect our capital first. Okay? Kasi demo builds confidence. Pag meron kang natutunan, i-apply mo, nagigets ko na. Number 2, proper execution. 'Di ba? Familiarity mo sa tool and yung risk control. Okay? Hindi po minamadali ang live account. We prepare first. But I do understand, meron dito, nag-deposit na sila sa live account because they wanna take advantage of the 100% bonus. Don't worry guys, kasi until February, meron pang 100% bonus. So I believe this month, magsasabi na yan si Coach Nars kung kailan yung proper timing for you to do live account. Alright? Now, ano ba yung kailangan para makabuo tayo ng ng demo account? Number 1 is trading platform. Okay? Yung gamit po natin sa community natin is MT5. Okay? So this is where your trading office happens. So ito na yung execution na part wherein dito makita mo yung mga charts, candles, dito ka nagpe-place ng position. So basically, if yung utak natin dito nabubuo yung strategy, si MT5 naman yan yung tool, parang kamay natin yan na diyan nangyayari ang execution. Okay? So ano yung platform natin? Can you comment? MT5. Okay? And yung broker naman natin is with VT Markets. Okay? Inulit-ulit po namin na hindi po ibig sabihin that we refer VT Markets ngayon is forever na po tayo dito. But so far po, we are very glad with how they serve us, with how they assist us with with our trading journey. Okay? Now, si broker din guys, hindi pwedeng mag-trade na walang broker. Kasi may mga nakikita ako nagagalit sila na may mga broker. Well, you know what guys, yan yung mga hindi totoong trader. Kasi pagpapasok ka sa trading journey mo, kailangan ng broker. Hindi pwede. Si MT5 yung platform, si broker, yan po talaga yung middleman. Kasi kung wala sila, wala tayo. And sila yung naging blessing para sa atin. But of course, we do understand na may mga spread, leverages, mga commissions. But you know what? We're very happy with VT Markets. Kung ano kalaki yung spread nila, yung sa leverage options. So far, so good, no? So, kaya talagang ito din yung parang trusted natin sa community. Okay? So, paano ba natin gagawin to? Okay? So, are you ready? Okay? I will play a video simply because hindi ko na kailangan na ma-execute dito kasi baka matagalan tayo. So, ipi-play ko na lang yung video. Okay? Comment number 1 if naririnig nyo guys ha. Ayan.
Gumawa ng broker's account at malink ito sa MT5.
If you've heard it, okay, very good. Okay? Sige, pagpatuloy natin.
All you need to do, since nagbigay na kami ng link sa inyo, much better na i-copy nyo po ito and then i-paste nyo po siya mismo sa notes ninyo. Para paste,
Okay.
open sa inyo. Okay, much better mag-open ka muna ng live para
Wait lang guys ha. Naghahang si Okay, wait lang ha. Now, okay. Now, why is it important that when we send you links, bakit kailangan na kinakopy nyo sa URL ng browser nyo? Simply because there are a lot of times na ginagawa nyo yung isang bagay tapos hindi nyo natatapos kasi nagpa-pop up lang sa Messenger. Tapos guys, ang nangyayari is hindi siya ma-continue kasi pag may mag-pop up sa Messenger, nawala na. So in as much kung may mga link, we encourage you to copy nyo yung link tapos i-paste nyo sa URL. Asan ba yung URL? Yung merong www. Okay? So, okay, let me proceed. Dito tayo ulit. Alright.
all you need to do, since nagbigay na kami ng link sa inyo,
Okay, ayan, binigay yung link. Ito guys, 6 minutes lang to ha. Ulit-ulitin nyo ng 2 beses. So, make sure guys, iba-iba yung link ng mga coaches. So, wag nyong ipamigay sa iba kung naka-assign yan sa different coach. Okay?
much better na i-copy nyo po ito and then i-paste nyo po siya mismo sa notes ninyo.
Yan, pwede sa notes, tapos
Para mas madali nyo na lang makopy yung link. Ika-copy nyo kasi yung link para ma-open nyo po siya sa browser. So, pwede po yung gagamitin natin dito, pwede Safari, pwede din po yung Google Chrome. So, pwede din po itong Safari. So, after dyan, okay, i-paste nyo lang po sa browser.
Yan.
paste and go.
Ito sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na browser, okay? Dito sa URL ilalagay.
And ayun, okay, nagloading na siya. So after nun, dito ka sa open, huwag kayong ma-confuse kung live account yung una po namin pina-open sa inyo. Okay, much better mag-open ka muna ng live para i-complete mo na lang po yung mga necessary documents para at least kung ready ka na, pwede ka nang mag-trade on your real account. Okay? So fill up ka muna para sa real account mo. Okay, sample. And the moment ma-fill up nyo po yan, kung na-notice nyo po, 8 characters used,
Guys, this is very important ha. Etong sa characters.
one at least uppercase. Okay, so isang uppercase, ibig sabihin big letter, at isang lowercase small letter. Tapos kailangan merong number and merong special character. So si special character, it's either exclamation ba yan, merong ganitong at. Okay, so ito sample, mag-create ako ng password. Okay, so bigyan ko kayo ng sample.
Guys, wag nyo munang gawin ha. Watch muna.
Okay, may big letter. Tapos nilagyan ko ng at. Okay, tapos yung apelyido niya. Tapos binigyan ko ng 1. Okay, so ibig sabihin kung nag-green po yan, ibig sabihin tama po yung ginawa natin. Wala na pong problema. Okay, pwede na po hindi nyo lagyan ng referrer. Okay, so
Okay. Now guys, eto, let me correct this. Sa referrer guys, nag-level up tayo this time para madali nating matrace kung saan kayo connected. Make sure to get the IB number or the name of the coach. Tapos dito nyo ilagay, okay? Sa referrer na option.
open live account. Okay, pwede nyo po i-save yung password para at least hindi mo makalimutan. Okay, so fill up aside from
Proceed ko na lang to guys ha, para hindi na tayo
ganun kapag nag-vacation.
okay?
As much as possible po sedula or any proof
Very important.
verification. Pag ganun, kapag naglo-loading,
You need to understand na maganda kung may PH na details ka, mas maganda yon para less hassle, okay? But for those who wanted talaga na wala ka ng details dito sa Pinas, walang problema yon. Just approach your coach kasi may alternative yan, okay?
i-swipe up mo lang. Okay, lalabas yung submit. Okay? Tapos, after dyan, huwag kang mag-alala, not necessary na mag-deposit ka na agad. Okay? Pwede, proceed ka muna sa ID verification. So, sa ID verification, okay, dito nyo po isa-submit yung passport, yung mga documents na kakailanganin ninyo. Okay? So, yung mga ID nyo po, kung Pinas yung gagamitin mo, passport sa Pinas, Philippine passport, and then, yung mga document po, importante, pwede din po sedula or any proof of billing. Okay? Tapos, after nyan, kasi wala pa akong sinubmit, okay, just make sure lang po na, as much as possible po, approve po siya bago kayo mag-proceed. Okay? Back to home. Ayun, back to home na. So, after
Okay, guys, once nakita nyo to, eto kasi minsan din nalilito sila, ba't siya nag-back to home? Kasi nag-direct na siya sa link niya dun sa mismong website. But for those who made this sa Messenger, no, hindi ka makaka-proceed yung iba dito. Ang marireceive mo na lang is yung email ni VT Market. So make sure, kung nalito ka na sa part na to, kasi hindi siya nag-back to home, punta ka sa email mo, may email si VT Markets doon. Tapos, doon ka mag-click ng link or i-search mo sa Google, VT Markets, tapos mag-login ka na kasi nakagawa ka na ng account. Okay? Ulitin ko, kung ginawa mo to sa Messenger, baka nawala ka na or na-end mo na tong part na to kasi hindi siya nag-back to home. So, what you can do is mag-login ka mismo sa Safari or sa Google Chrome sa website or go to your email kasi for sure may email ka na na-receive with VT Markets at mayroong link doon that will direct you sa website. Okay?
back to home, ayun, nakikita niyo na siya. Meron ditong live and demo account. So since hindi ka pa na-approve, no, or hindi ka pa magli-live account, i-click mo lang dito yung demo. Ayun. So sa pag-click mo ng demo,
Okay, let me clarify this. Dalawa kasi to, live, demo account. Pagka-click mo dyan, lalabas dyan minsan open live account. Pag i-click mo na naman to, demo account na naman yung lalabas dito. Nakita nyo kanina, naka-live tapos ngayon naka-demo. So, make sure na aware ka dito ha. Pag i-click mo to, different types yung lalabas dito, either live or demo. So, since you're still starting, make sure na it's just demo account.
again, kung gusto mo mag-click sa live, open mo yung live. And then, since wala pa naman, click mo yung demo. Okay, andito po yung option, no? Live or demo. Okay? After nyan, open demo account. Okay? So, MT5 yung pinili natin. Same pa din. Tapos, USD. So, as much as possible, maganda po yung leverage na 100 is to 1. Okay? Para at least, as if natin na real account mo na to. Tapos, yung magandang account balance para reality siya, let's say, $1,000. Okay?
Guys, may iba ko nakikita, sobrang lalaki, 100,000, 25,000. Why do we suggest na it's just 1,000? Para realistic siya. Okay? So, make sure to follow the amount. No? Huwag mong lakihan masyado kasi baka pag mag-live account ka na, nagtataka ka, iba ka na gumalaw kasi yung na-practice mo sa demo, iba sa live account mo. Okay? So, make sure na you start with the lowest. No?
Tapos, scroll down, click mo yung submit. Pagkatapos mong maklik si submit, okay na, may email na darating sa'yo. Download po kayo ng MT5, okay? It's either sa Play Store or pwede
Okay, natapos na yan ha. Let's continue. Go to the MT5 na.
din sa App Store. Okay, so i-download nyo lang po si MT5. Again, si MT5 po yung i-download, hindi po si VT Markets. Okay? So, o diba, MetaTrader 5. Okay? So, ito po yung lalabas. Since may demo account na kasi ako dito. So, yung gagawin mo lang po dyan, para po, the moment na ma-download mo na siya, na akong accounts, no, may accounts na ako. All you need to do na lang, click mo lang yung plus sign, tapos search mo po dito yung brokers. Okay? So, sa brokers po, i-search mo dito yung VT Markets. Ayun, kasi dito po yung broker natin. Ito nyo po i-login yung nasa email ninyo na sinend ni VT Markets. So, ito po yung in-email ni VT Markets
Okay, dito guys, make sure na yung nilagay nyo talaga dito na part
natin. Ito nyo po i-login. Okay? So, sa brokers po,
hindi siya nag-ano, no?
na akong accounts, no, may accounts na ako.
Okay. Marami kasi ginagawa nila, nilalagin nila agad sa live. So, very important guys na piliin nyo demo. Ha? Demo, live. So, make sure demo yung nakalagay.
All you need to do na lang, click mo lang yung plus sign, tapos search mo po dito yung brokers. Okay? So ito po yung in-email ni VT Markets. All you need to do, i-copy mo lang yan. Okay? Huwag nyo pong i-type, i-copy nyo po talaga. Okay? So, login. Okay? Copy mo yan, and then yung password din, i-copy and paste. Okay? Copy. Yan din, i-copy. Huwag nyo pong i-type ha. I-copy po talaga kasi may mga special characters na mahirap po siyang i-type. Okay? Paste mo lang. And after dyan, you're done. Okay? All set na po. Okay? So, click nyo po yung trade. Okay? Automatic na po yan. Tapos, set up mo lang po si Coach. Okay? So, kung i-click nyo po si Coach, pwede lang po i-swipe nyo po pa left or i-click nyo po yung may pencil sa taas para ma-delete nyo po yung mga
Ito din yung reason guys kung bakit trading disabled tayo, yung iba dyan, no? Kasi ang ginawa nila is yung hindi tradable pairs yung nakalagay. Okay? Every time magde-demo account, may VIP po yan. VIP sa end. Pag live naman is STD.
pairings na hindi naman po natin gagamitin. Okay? Usually po yung pairings na ginagamit po natin ay DJ30 and pwede din po yung XAU USD. Okay? So, si XAU USD po, as much as possible, kailangan meron pong VIP for demo. Usually, kapag wala po siyang VIP, yung lalabas po dyan, mag-error po yan, lalabas po ng tradable pair po siya. Okay? So, and then you're done. So, yan na po. You're done. Pwede ka na pong
Okay? So I hope that is clear. Okay? I know na dito guys, meron kayo idea na kung paano na to. Pero for those wala pa, don't worry kasi may step by step guide to. Pero ito yung challenge ko for everyone. Guys, that is just a 6-minute video. Okay? And I'm just really concerned with you. I am speaking in love and concern, no? Kasi most of our trainings here, you will repeat it many times, no? So meron dito nakikita namin na sa simula pa lang medyo nahihirapan. Well, that's okay, no? Kung nakita talaga natin na you did your best, no? Pero ang challenge ko lang, alam ko may mga trabaho kayo, alam ko busy kayo, but you need to understand para siyang ganitong setting. Na-experience niyo ba yung feeling na sinabihan na kayo ng teacher na get 1/4, magki-quiz tayo. Tapos anong sagot diyan? 1/4, ma'am. Nako. Parang ganun yung nangyayari. And bakit hindi natin wina one-on-one? Kasi susundan mo na lang. And really respect, iba-iba tayo ng free time. So, guys, kung isa-isahin namin kayo, nako, wala na. Ubus kaming lahat dito. hindi namin kakayanan. Kaya ginawa natin is group coaching at recording lahat. So, wag naman gano'n, no? We are really encouraging you to be disciplined traders na matuto na tumayo sa sarili niyong paa. So, at least twice, no? 12 minutes lang yan. Minsan nga, 3 hours, 4 hours ka lang nagdo-doom scrolling sa TikTok. Tapos itong 6 minutes na to, hindi mo matapos-tapos. So, I challenge everyone na ulitin nyo, no? Tapos, kung may tanong kayo, screenshot nyo or screen record nyo kung saan kayo nahihirapan. Okay? But I do not judge ha. Baka isipin nyo na grabe naman to si MJ, no? Hindi naman patient, no? But guys, remember, hindi ako naniniwala na merong bobong tao. Ako hindi ako naniniwala na merong bobong tao. Naniniwala ako na merong mga taong tamad. And we don't want that in our community. Sabihin mo nga, wala yan dito sa community natin. Okay? Wala yan dito. Walang ganyan dito. Okay? Now, let me proceed. All right. Now, all right, we are clear with that. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa pag-create and pag-connect. Okay? Now, here's the thing. Okay? Let's proceed on the familiarization sa MetaTrader 5. Okay? Now, I know for sure some of you are already clicking now and then yung may nakikita nyo. Pero I'd like to share with you ano yung mga explanation or konting, you don't need to memorize guys para at least sabihin nyo sa akin, ako, kailangan mag-quiz pala ako nito. No, no, no. At least familiarize mo lang para at least hindi ka malito, no? And for iPhone users, this is how you see things sa MT5 nyo sa phone. And for Android, ito naman. I will try my best sa Android kasi I'm not using Android, naka-iPhone po ako. But I prepared something for you. So at least kilalanin natin yung anatomy ng ano natin, ng MT5 natin. Okay? So here guys, you can see the time frame. Okay? So, makikita nyo dyan is, kung i-click nyo yan, later on, mamaya na po, hold your breath, M5, makita nyo dyan, M1, ano pa ba, H1, M15, ganyan. So, basically, ang time frame po, ang purpose niya is, kung kailan nabubuo yung isang candle. Okay? So, it controls the speed of the candle. So, kung M1 ka, mabilis. Okay? So, meron din dyan 1 month, 1 week. So, dyan mo makikita and for confirmation sa trend. Okay? Pag i-click mo yan. Alright? So, si time frame. Pangalawa naman, ito si pair, si quotes or si symbol. Okay? So, ito, XAU, USD, VIP. Now, ano yung purpose nito? Okay? So, ito yung tinitrade natin. So, dyan, wait lang ha, may nagdo-drawing. Wait lang, hold on. Hindi ko na-disable. Alright, alright. There you go. So, pwede si DJ30. Okay? So, dyan mo papalitan. And if you observe my VIP, that means you are doing it correctly, naka-demo account ka. Pag STD naman yan, that means live account. Okay? So, ayos tayo dyan. Dito, pwede mong i-click to guys. Naka-drop down din yan. Pwede mong palitan din to DJ30 para diretso-diretso na. Okay? Wait lang ha. Kasi i-ano ko lang yung drawing. Annotate, i-clear ko lang. Clear all drawings. All right, there you go. So, let me proceed, no? With candles, ito naman yung candlestick. Okay? So, dito guys, nagpapakita siya ng movement ng price. Okay? So, dito makita kung saan na ba yung presyo, dumadating na ba sa baba, sa taas, okay? Pwede mo din palitan yan to line bars, ganyan. Okay? Now, sa bottom panel, ito din yung makikita mo. Itong quotes, chart, trade. Mamaya explain ko sa inyo yan. Okay? And ito naman din yung very important, itong lot size. Okay? So, before you entry a trade, make sure alam mo na kung kailan ka mag-exit at alam mo na kung magkano din yung position mo and computed mo na yung risk mo with your lot sizing. Okay? And ito din, may kita nyo si sell at si buy. This is where you buy and execute buy and sell. Okay? So, dito guys, ito din, makikita nyo. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, MJ, paano ba yan? Nakikita ko may timer siya. That is what we call time scale. Mamaya ituturo ko kung paano siya. So, basically, kung naka 5 minutes time frame ka, it gives you a timer kung kailan na mabubuo yung isang candlestick. So, kung naka M5 yan, katulad nito, that means on the next 26 seconds, matatapos na yung isang candlestick, mag-o-open na naman ng another candlestick. Babalik na naman siya to 5 minutes kasi nag-open na naman siya ng bagong candlestick. Okay? And if you see this green line na nagmo-move, Okay? That's what we call current price. Okay? Yan na yung presyo ngayon. Okay? So, probably, ang nangyari dito, yung dumating siya dito na price, tapos tataas. Yan yung sa green na nakadash. Okay? And another thing, the toolbar. Okay? So, mamaya, explain ko sa inyo din yung sa part ng toolbar. Okay? So, wait lang. Ayan. So, medyo familiar na ba? Okay? Pwede nyo i-screenshot guys para medyo madali nyong maalala din. Okay? Next, okay, dito din sa Android, no? Medyo may slight difference lang with Android. But with Android kasi, nakikita mo tong circle na to once you click it. Once you click the screen. Okay? So, same pa din si quotes or symbol. Okay? Pag ito yung sa VT Markets nyo, sa MT5 nyo, trading disable siya. Okay? Now, si lot size, si time frame, okay, andito si time frame. Si time frame, makikita mo din dito yung sa circle. Si toolbar, andito din. Kasi yung toolbar kanina nasa taas sa iPhone. Candles, bottom panel. Ito guys, itong nakikita nyo, this is the indicator. Okay? Later on, sa next sessions natin, makikilala nyo yung mga different indicators. And yeah, that's it. And ito din, current price. Okay? So, ito yung movement ng price. Okay? So, copy. Do you copy? Click type number 1 if you copy. Okay ba? Alright. Okay? So, medyo familiar na ha. Okay, makikita nyo dito guys, so pag kinik nyo yung sa time frame din, M1, M5, meaning 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So makita mo yung buong isang candle na bubuo ng 5 minutes, isang candle na bubuo ng 15 minutes, isang candle na bubuo ng 30 minutes. Okay, I hope that I am clear. Okay, now, eto din, kung nakikita nyo to guys sa bandang taas, okay, yan, yan. This is what we call the order panel toggle and the quick trade na button. Okay? Now, sa quick trade, kasi ito siya guys, there are instances na katulad nito, hindi pala, there are instances na hindi nyo nakikita yung sell and buy. Okay? There are instances na hindi nyo to nakikita. Chances are, hindi nyo na-click dito. Okay? So, make sure kung hindi nyo nakita yan, make sure to click this quick trade para makita nyo where to adjust the lot size and to position buy and sell. Okay? I hope that I am clear with you guys. Okay? Now, dito guys, okay, sa order panel naman, may kita nyo dito buy limit, sell limit. Well, we will have more discussions about it kasi that's a different type of execution din. Okay? Pero dito guys, makikita mo yung full settings ng order mo. But dito sa quick trade, more of instant execution. Okay? Sa order panel toggle, more of specific talaga siya, different orders like buy limit, sell limit. Makikilala nyo lang later on for the next sessions. Huwag muna nating himayin yan. But more or less guys, ang pinaka-basic talaga is dito sa quick trade. Okay? So I hope that is clear. Right? Next. Okay. Dito naman, ito naman si toolbar, yung nasa taas. Si crosshair, guys. Okay, ayan, may kita nyo na. Si crosshair, yan ang ginagamit pang measure ng pips. So, lalabas yan siya. Okay? Now, kung ilang pips, na-compute niya na. Ito din si indicator, dyan makikita mo yung MACD, moving average, RSI, mga indicators yan. Dito mo i-click yan. Pero, kailangan may specific ka na iset na numbers dyan to make it a reliable indicator din. No? May mga numbers kang isiset dyan. But don't worry kasi isa yan sa ituturo natin for the next upcoming sessions. Ito din, ito very important kasi dito natin kukunin yung support and resistance na line. Okay? Sa objects or text. Okay? For Android naman, ito siya. Objects, ayan, text, tapos si crosshair, and then si indicator. Okay? So, I hope na medyo familiar na tayo. Okay? Next, we also have the bottom panel. Sa bottom panel, guys, I show you a video. I'm almost done. Please bear with me. I'll show you a video of how does it work. Okay? So, ito guys, pag-usapan natin yung part sa bottom panel. So, itong sa baba, si quotes, si charts, si trades, si history, and si settings. So, pag i-click natin yan si quotes, dyan nyo makikita ang pairs, okay, or quotes.
or yung symbol. Ayan, ito yung pagpipilian. And if you notice, etong may mga VIP, yan lang po yung ma-open nyo at makikita nyo yung chart. Kunwari, i-click nyo yan, tapos makikita nyo yung chart. And pwede kayong makapag-place ng trade. However, if you click the Euro USD, yung walang mga VIP, kung titingnan nyo yan sa chart guys, yan, makikita nyo walang place trade, 'di ba? Kasi nga for you to execute buy and sell ng mga orders, kailangan sa demo is yung may VIP. So paano natin i-delete yung mga hindi part dito? So what you can do is hanapin mo to. Okay, this is for the iPhone ha. Familiarize nyo na lang din sa Android. So what you can do is click nyo yan. So itong mga ito, yan, tapos click the delete. Okay? Then go back. So nawala na. Tapos but ito yung isa hindi kasi talaga siya guys. Ganun talaga yung setting niya na may isa lang at least hindi madi-delete. For US 30 naman, that's DJ30 period. Okay? Now paano ba mag-add? So let's just say i-delete natin lahat to. Delete natin lahat ha. Yan, delete natin. So ito talaga talaga yan guys ha. Set up talaga yan na may matitirang isa. So again, go here and then you just search DJ30. Okay, DJ30 na may period, hindi yung futures guys ha. So that's it. Check mo lang. Okay, check lang. Tapos cancel. Tapos you go back and then ayan na, nadagdag na siya. Click again. Tapos dagdag mo XAU. Ayan, USD VIP. Pwede kung gusto mo dagdagan ng let's just say, ayan yung isa. Automatic na yan. You just go back and then, ayan, dagdag na. Okay? So, klarong-klaro. Now, we go to chart. Okay? So, sa chart, dito guys, again, walang taste trade kasi nga iba yung symbol. So, kailangan, let's just say, for XAU, palitan natin. Dito lang ako nag-click guys. So, ayan. Drop down. Click mo lang yan. Tapos, ayan. Okay? So, makikita mo na. Dito ka mag-monitor sa market. Okay? Now, dito din sa trade, let's just say, nag-place ka ng sell. Okay? Place tayo ng sell. Ayan. Okay? Now, ang mangyayari dyan guys is makikita mo dito ngayon sa trade yan. Okay? So, this is your floating trade. Okay? For you to manually close this, dito ka sa trade, what you can do, ayan, pag nag-positive na, pwede mong i-long press and then close position. Okay? Tapos, close mo. Pero minsan kasi, napaka-ano niyan. So, what you can do is, pwede mo na lang i-slide, tapos, yan. Or, pwede mong gawin, let's just say, nag-sell ka dyan, again. Okay? Now, ayan na. Okay? Kung gusto mo i-close ng maramihan, i-click mo lang tong tatlo dito. Okay, so yan. Close all positions, close losing positions. Kasi minsan dyan guys, pag naka-blue yan, may lalabas dyan na close profitable position. So pag close profitable position, yung mga positive lang, yun lang yung i-close mo. Pag yung losing lang. Pag lahat ng positions gusto mo i-close, pwede din. So let's try natin yung close all position. Ayan. So makikita nyo ngayon lahat ng yon dito sa history. Okay, so wag kayong malito, punta kayo dito sa taas, tapos positions, tapos go here, tapos makita nyo lahat ng nasa today. Okay, and kung gusto niyo naman tingnan yung last week, ayan. Okay, walang yesterday guys ha. So either today, last week, last month, yan, makita nyo lahat ng yan. Okay.
Guys, let me clarify. Merong yesterday, pero i-click mo yung last week. So, yung lahat ng history for that week alone, makikita nyo. Alright? So, let me clear that out. Okay?
So, let's proceed dito sa settings. Sa settings, pwede nyo i-click to, makikita nyo yung mga live accounts, demo accounts, pwede marami sa isang VT Markets account. Pwede din dito, magdagdag ka ng account. Okay? Minsan pag nag-error, usually kasi ginagawa ng iba is kiniklik to. So what you can do is VT Markets, i-type nyo talaga. Okay? Type nyo talaga para makonect siya talaga. No? Kasi minsan kiniklik nyo yung ano eh. Yan. Tapos siya kanyo i-click. Okay, so add demo account, make sure na demo live, ganyan. Alright? Now next, dito din sa baba, makikita nyo yung charts. Okay? Dito yung sa countdown to bar close, ayan, mga kung ano, line bar ba, line chart ba, or candlestick ba yung gusto nyo, no? Kung line chart yan, makikita nyo mag-iiba yung ano. So, naka-line lang siya. Balik tayo dito sa settings, tapos sa charts. So, kung candlestick, ayan, balik tayo. Dito tayo sa chart, ayan, candlestick na. So, paano siya itaggle para maliit siya, guys? What you can do is, iano mo lang, i-drag mo lang tong sa prices pababa. Gaganon na siya. Pag gusto mo naman pataas, i-drag mo pataas yung banda dito. Okay? Pag gusto mo paliitin, pababa. Kung gusto mo palakihin yung chart para mas klaro, i-drag mo pataas itong sa price. Okay? So, ganyan lang. So, paliitin mo, ganyan. Okay? Palakihin mo, drag mo lang paakyat. Okay? So, that's it. So, ngayon naman, ito
Alright, so let us proceed sa buy and sell. I hope that is clear, guys. So medyo familiar na kayo dito. Okay, now, you will ask question, ano ba to? Balance, equity, quick explanation lang, no? For balance, guys, ito yung pera mo na close trades na lahat. Okay? Sa equity naman, kasama na dyan yung nag-trade ka, tapos may floating ka pa. Okay? May floating trade ka pa. Okay? Si free margin, available money mo para makapag-open ka pa ng new trade. Si margin level, very, very important kasi dyan yung safety percentage mo. If you see that it is below 100, naku po, automatic magtataka ka, kino-close na ni VT Markets yung trade mo kasi margin call na yan, ibig sabihin hindi nakakayanin ng capital mo to sustain the trade. So, automatic close, automatic losing na yon. Okay? So, make sure na yung margin level mo is safety pa. Okay? Si margin, okay, yan. Alright? So, kapag bumaba ito masyado, pwede ma-liquidate yung account mo. That is why risk management is life. So, protect your capital at all costs. Okay? Let us proceed. Wow, malapit ako matapos, guys. So, sa MT5 execution na tayo. Okay? So, dito sa execution, guys, hindi siya random click-click lang, ha? So, dito, kailangan mong ma-familiarize din to para madali kang maka-catch up sa trades. Lalo na we do scalping. So, very important na mabilis kang ano bang term? Mabilis kang gumamay? Tama ba yung word? Mabilis mong ma-execute. Yun na lang. Mabilis mong i-click yung mga buttons dyan para hindi ka mahirapan. Okay? So, let us proceed to how to execute buy and sell. Okay? This is very basic. Very quick lang tong video na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Right?
turo natin kung paano mag-buy and sell position. So, punta kayo dito. Okay? So, quick order na button. Tapos, either sa taas or sa baba yan, you just click sell or buy. Okay? So, for the
Wait lang guys nag-loading ata. Wait lang.
So, ngayon naman, ituturo natin kung paano mag-buy and sell position. So, punta kayo dito. Okay? So, quick order na button. Tapos, either sa taas or sa baba yan, you just click sell or buy. Okay? So, for the sake of execution lang to guys. Tapos, kung gusto mo naman lumipat ng ibang quote or pair, okay? So, you just click it here. Tapos, ito siya. Okay? So, again, click mo, buy or sell. Tapos, dito guys, sa trade, makikita mo na lahat yan. So, isahan na yung sa gold and sa US 30. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, tingnan nyo. Kung yung tatlo na yan, close profitable position lang. Yung kulay blue, may exit yan. Yan. Okay? Yan. Kulay blue lang, close profitable. Yun. Kung gusto mo na naman close losing, yan. So, wala na lahat. Alright? Ngayon naman, pag-usapan.
Okay. So, very clear. Okay, let's proceed with how to turn on yung time scale, yung timer sa gilid. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano.
Pa natin yung sa time scale or yung countdown bar dito sa gilid, no? How to turn gilid, no?
Medyo ano siya.
Hi guys, pag-usapan naman natin. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung sa time scale or yung countdown bar dito
Nakikita nyo guys, yung green na yan, that's your current price.
sa gilid, no? How to turn it on. Okay, so since ito walang countdown timer, gagawin mo, punta ka sa settings, tapos punta ka sa charts, tapos i-on mo yan. Okay, countdown to bar close, tapos back ka ulit, tapos may kita mo na. So it means guys na there is only 144 seconds, 1 minute and 42 seconds left bago bumuo naman ng another candle itong si DJ30. Okay? Kasi nakadepende yan sa kung ilang minutes yung time frame mo. So, try natin palitan. So, si M15. So, nakita nyo, nagbabago siya kasi it will take another 11 minutes na mabuo na naman itong candlestick na to, na ongoing. Okay? Napaka-useful nito, especially during Abdallah, no? Balik tayo sa 5 minutes sa M5 kasi that means hihintayin mo talaga yan pag konting-konti na lang, pag open ng another candlestick, yun yung pinaka-importante sa atin. Okay? Hi guys,
Alright, so again guys, it's not Abdallah, no? It's overall US 30 and sniper. Usually kasi 5 minutes time frame yung ginagawa natin. So very useful siya kasi pag konti na lang, no, alam mo na prepare mo na yung sarili mo na dapat nakatutok ka na sa chart mo. Okay? And last but not the least, and I am done, and we will entertain few questions in a while. So let me proceed. Ito na ngayon, CSL and CTP. Okay? So bakit very important ito, no? Kasi ito yung for me hindi mo kailangan alamin lahat, no? Ano lang yung pinaka-useful. And ito yun, masasabi ko, isa sa pinaka, ano talaga, for me, foundation talaga, no? At si support pala, guys, it's the area kung saan madalas nagbabounce pataas ang price. Okay? And si resistance, yung area kung saan madalas bumababa yung price. So basically, dyan nagbabounce sa support and resistance yung price. And ang ginagawa kasi natin dyan, guys, it gives you a hint, no, yung mga rejections, yung mga strong highs and lows, and very important yung mga breakout. And most of our strategies, if you will notice later on, yung ginagawa natin is breakout strategy talaga. So simple pero very very powerful. So let us see the video.
Ngayon naman, hi guys, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano mag-execute ng SL and TP. And for us to execute that, kailangan muna meron tayong position, either sell or buy. So for the sake of execution guys, mag-try tayong mag-sell. Okay? So ngayon, nakapag-place na tayo ng sell. Paano ba natin ilalagay si SL and na tayo ng ngayon naman, hi guys, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano mag-execute ng SL and TP. Either sell.
Hold on. Hindi siya nakikisama. Hold on guys Wait lang. Tapos na kami. Please. Pagbigyan mo naman kami para makauwi na tong mga estudyante dito. Hinahanap na to ng magulang nila. Wait lang guys. Nako, baka may mga pagalitan dito kasi ang tagal sa eskwelahan. Nako. Makisama ka naman. Baka pagalitan yung teacher nito. Wait lang talaga. Si VLC hindi nakikisama. I-quit muna natin to. Wala naman sigurong papagalitan ng magulang nila dito, no? Kasi feel ko lahat na dito parang ito na ata yung mga magulang ngayon eh. Alright, let's go. Okay, wait lang. Ayan na. Okay, hold on. Okay, wait lang. Hindi na anak yung ano, no? Nagagalit yung boss na, tsaka yung asawa na. Ayan.
Place position, let's just say sell. And then, what you can do is i-click mo yung existing trade mo. So, i-click mo yan, yung may pula. So, may...
Okay, guys. Nag-sell ka, okay? For you to modify it, what you can do, pwede mong i-click mismo yung line na dash na yan where you put your sell position or any position that you've i-click.
Kita mo dito agad na pwede mo na siyang i-modify. Ulitin ko lang guys ha. Click mo yung may pula. Okay? Yung line na nakadash. Tapos, pwede kang maglagay na automatically, no? SL. So, ilagay mo sa taas. Tapos, i-click mo din tong TP. Ilagay mo sa baba. Tapos, arrow. Tapos, click mo tong modify. Okay? So, meron ka ng SL and
Okay, sa mga magtatanong dito, paano ba yung TP1, TP2? So, what you can do is dalawang cell tapos dalawang adjustment. Kung tatlong TP naman yung gusto mo, tatlong cell yan tapos tatlong adjustment mo sa TP and SL. Okay?
TP. So, ngayon, pag-usapan natin
Okay, etong pangalawa, this is another also option on how you do it.
kung paano maglagay ng support and resistance. So, bali guys, punta kayo dito sa
Wait lang. Support and resistance pala yung nalagay na dito. Yung other way, guys, is ganito siya. Support and resistance na pala to. Wait lang. Last na lang yung support and... Ay, natapos na natin yung support and resistance. Hindi pa, no? Hindi pa. Okay, dito tayo ngayon. Bear with us, guys. Medyo challenging, but we are doing our part to... kapit lang tayo, guys, ha? Malapit na talaga. Malapit na talaga tong matapos. Okay, this is another way to set TP and SL. Okay, kanina kasi direct yun. Ngayon, pwede mong i-modify sa floating trade mo when you go to trade.
Hi guys, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano mag-execute ng SL and TP. And for us to execute that, kailangan muna meron tayong position, either sell or buy. So for the sake of execution guys, mag-try tayong mag-sell. Okay? So ngayon, nakapag-place na tayo ng sell. Paano ba natin ilalagay si SL and TP? Okay? So kung may kita nyo, yung price na nag-sell kayo is at 4937. Okay, so 4937. So punta kayo dito sa trade. Okay, pwede nyo gawin is i-long press yan, tapos modify position. Okay, or pwede nyo ding i-slide yan. Okay, tapos manual entry kayo ng stop loss and take profit. Now, punta tayo ulit sa chart. Now, of course, in sell yung nilagay natin, yung take profit natin is nasa baba kasi you're forecasting that the market will go down. And yung SL naman natin is nasa taas. So, let's just say, no, for the sake of execution lang guys, yung take profit natin is at 4932, which is nasa baba. And yung SL naman natin is at 4942. Okay? So, pwede nyong ilagay yan, isulat, tapos i-input natin dito sa trade. Again, you can long press, tapos modify position. So, again, si stop loss would be at 4942. And si take profit naman is at 4932. Okay? 4932. So, 4942. Okay? Tapos, click nyo lang yung modify. Okay? So, punta tayo ngayon sa chart. May kita nyo dyan, guys. Okay? So, pag na-hit na ng current price, yung TP, automatic take profit ka na, magko-close na yung trade. However, pag na-hit naman yung SL, na-hit yung price na 4942 ng current price or ng candlestick, automatic magko-close. That means you have a losing trade. Okay? Pero,
okay. Alright. Pero guys, nawala ako. Kasi, support and resistance wala yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Tapos nag-direct na ako sa SL and TP. Hindi ko kasi na guys, hindi na kasama itong si VLC. But no worries, let's proceed na ngayon talaga. Ito na yung totoo support and resistance and I am done. I am very, very done. Alright? So, well, let's play the video.
so ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung paano maglagay ng support and resistance. So, bali guys, punta kayo dito sa objects. Okay? Tapos, makikita nyo dyan guys, may mga objects na pagpipilian. So, etong dash yung ilalagay natin. So, pag naklik mo na yon, okay, click mo dito sa chart. Okay? Tapos, lalabas yan. Tapos, pwede mong ma-move yan guys ha. Makikita nyo, okay, nakikita nyo, pwede nyong i-move yan. Okay? Pindutin mo lang yung pula, ilagay mo. Okay? Tapos dagdag ka pa ng isa. Pwede mo ding ulitin to, punta ka sa objects, tapos dyan. Tapos click mo ulit dyan, tapos lalabas na siya. Okay? Pero pwede din na madali, i-click mo yung line na yan, yung pula na yan, tapos copy. Okay? So lalagay na dyan. Okay. Now, ang purpose ng mga line na yan, actually, kung hindi mo siya ilalagay sa tamang location, actually wala siyang sense, no? But it makes sense, yung mga line na yan, it will make sense once you put it on a certain area. Okay? Now, ito, this is a strong support. Si support po is the floor, okay? Or where the prices bounces, okay? Sa baba, okay? Si resistance naman is the roof or the ceiling, no? So, wherein dyan nagbabounce ang presyo, okay? So, may kita nyo yan. So, usually kasi yung ginagawa natin sa trade is hinihintay natin mag-breakout or lumabas siya sa presyo na yan. Once may potential breakout, dun ka magte-trade, okay? So, another example, pwede nating i-delete yan. Long press mo lang. Again, long press mo lang yung line. I-click mo lang yung line. Delete, okay? Now, paano kung sasabihin sa strategy is candlestick before ng 5 minutes na candlestick. So, lagyan natin ng 5 ng countdown to bar close. Okay? So, may kita na natin dito. So, 2:22. So, let's just say, click natin ulit dito sa objects. Tapos, itong line. Click ulit dyan sa chart. Tapos, may kita nyo guys, dyan ko nilagay mismo sa candlestick before. Okay? Kasi yan yung running na candlestick. Okay? Tapos ito. So, ganyan siya. That means, candlestick before the running candle. Okay? So, dyan mo lang siya ilalagay. So, yung reference mo for breakout is yung candlestick before. Okay? So, let us say, mag-change na naman yung candlestick after 1 minute, 1:43 seconds, 1 minute 43 seconds, natapos na yan, ililipat mo na naman yan. Pero patapusin mo yung 1 minute 34 seconds kasi baka bababa pa yan, tataas. So, gagawin mo, pag bubuo na naman yung another candle na yan, maghihintay ka sa breakout. So, depende. But normally, lagay mo dyan sa mga strong support and strong resistance. Pwede po mo din lagyan sa baba, no? Kung saan mo makita, yan, ito. Yan, pero medyo malayo na yan. So, makita nyo yan. Okay, so this is where the prices bounce. Okay, so marami pa yan. Okay, pwede mo lagyan dito. Lalo na kung swing trader ka, no? Pwede mo ilipat sa days, weeks. Careful ka lang sa pag-click guys para yan. Alright? Okay. So, there you go, guys. And I am done, no? Tapos na tayo sa support and resistance. Those are just the basic things to do. I know na medyo overwhelming, but let me encourage you with this. No? I will entertain questions later on, no, after this one. Sabi ni Bruce Lee, this is one of my favorite quotes ever. No? Sabahan niyo ako magbasa. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. So guys, wag yung tipong ang dami mong inaral tapos nagkalito-lito ka na, 10 strategies yung inaral mo tapos hindi mo naman na ma-master. Dito guys, sa ginagawa natin, at least 1 to 2 strategies na sobrang himay na himay mo, na profitable ka, it can change your life. Di yung tipong alam mo na lahat ng indicators, geto ganan, so and so ang tanong, profitable ka ba? Okay? Master 1 strategy, 2 strategies, repeat, refine, repeat again, because remember, consistency beats complexity. Pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo, di mo namamalayan, naguguluhan ka na pala. Ang importante lang pala dito is balik-balikan mo yung basic at kung ano talaga yung nakakatulong sa'yo na maging profitable ka. And you will learn more of that sa next upcoming sessions natin. Okay? So, if you feel like it's overwhelming yung discussion natin tonight, well, that's okay, no? Every expert was once confused. So, don't pressure yourself, no? Don't compare. Don't rush sa live trading, okay?
focus ka muna sa demo, sa proper execution, no? Later on, build that skill, no? Hindi po tayo nagsusugal dito. And last but not the least, I am proud of you for showing up tonight. Kaya step by step lang tayo, guys. Okay? So, there you go. Guys, huwag niyong kalimutan bukas, okay? Bukas, guys, we will have our session with Coach Nars. Are you excited? So, wag niyong kalimutan magpa-alarm bukas. At the same time, guys, this month probably ilo-launch na natin yung live session na US 30 scalping. Ayan, alright? So, alarm set. Alright, questions, clarifications. I will entertain few questions for tonight. Medyo natagalan na ako, guys, but I hope na nasagot din yung iba. Anong instance po na would trigger the error na invalid SL or TP? Chances are pag ganito, guys, ang nangyayari, nag-set ka ng SL and TP na nagra-run siya sa current price mo, tapos yung nilagay mo na current price, nilagay mo na SL or TP doon, same na sa current price. So make sure na baba, taas ng current price and ng placed position mo. Okay? Nawala ako. Wait lang. Sino yung nag-share screen? Anong nangyari dito, Coach Marge? Bakit na-remove from spotlight ako? Wait lang. Parang it's a prank. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Ano pa? Parang kinabahan tayong lahat doon, ah. Ask ko lang, Coach, possible problem ng trade profit tapos ayaw po mag-close agad. May delay. Okay, guys, when it comes to this, so far sa live trade po natin, wala naman po kaming na-experience. But it happened when the market really was in volume last few weeks, lalo na yung nag-ETH na si gold, sobrang daming nangyayari sa market, no? So, may mga chances talaga na ganun. And hindi lang po kayo yung nakaka-experience, hindi lang po tayo, buong global platform po nangyayari yun. So, ngayon naman, so far, so good na. But, ganun talaga, guys, pag may mga ganun, be careful, no? So, ano na, dapat alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin. Ano ba yung gagawin, Coach? Simple lang. Mag-observe ka muna, tingnan mo kung na-experience mo yun, magtanong ka sa iba kung na-experience din nila. If not, kung okay naman pala, baka sa'yo lang, no? So, make sure na also yung mga emails ni VT Markets, guys, very important din yan kasi nagre-remind din sila sa atin kung ano yung nangyayari sa market ngayon. Which time frame po ang ideal maglagay ng support and resistance? Actually, guys, kung sa strategy natin, yung candlestick before, no? So 5 minutes talaga yung ginagawa natin. Pero for consideration, kung every 5 minutes, tingnan mo lang talaga kung saan doon nagba-bounce yung price. Makita mo naman sa line yon. So usually kasi pag scalping 5 minutes talaga. May iba din nagwa 1 minute pero for us 5 minutes talaga. Okay? Ano pa? Paano maglagay ng price sa iOS sa buy and sell? Maglagay ng price. May price na yun sa gilid, guys, ha? Baka medyo nalito lang to. Yan. Ano pa ba? Kasama po ang dulo. Yes, sa mga maglalagay ng support and resistance later on sa strategy natin, kasama yung week. Kasama yung week talaga. Yung, ano ba yung week? Yung ikog. Yung line lang, di ba? May body, tapos may line lang. Kasama yun. Ayan. So, ano po yung recommend? M5. Yes, M5 usually, guys, for scalping sa atin. Okay? May percentage ba po ba kung hanging saan? Yes, you can compute your SLTP. You can just search it out sa Baby Pips. Pwede mong makompute yan. Depende din sa lot size mo and capital mo. Okay? But later on, guys, madidiscuss yan. Okay? Medyo dami ng questions na dapat basic lang. Last na lang to, ano yung magandang time mag-trade? Usually, gusto ko yung question na to, yung overlap ng London and US session. That usually happens at around 9 p.m. onwards. So, yun talaga pag gold. So, nag-o-overlap na sila, yun yung pinakamagandang time mag-trade kasi yung movement ng market, makakasabay ka. Okay? So, I hope that I've given value to everyone. If you feel like natuto kayo tonight, please do share it sa GC para ma-encourage natin lahat na manood ng video na to and let them know na ulit-ulitin din nila to Kasi for sure, hindi nila to magigets agad, no? So, ulit-ulitin nyo, ulit-ulitin. No turning back. Tuloy-tuloy na to. And congratulations to everyone. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Picture po muna tayo. Grabe, no? It's almost 12:34, but every one of you stayed and I truly appreciate it, no? Na hindi kayo nag-leave agad. Ayan, nasa 409 strong. Ayan, yung iba nag-leave na. Alright, picture muna tayo, Coach Marge. Coach Marge, pwede po ba? Ayan, alright. 3, 2, 1, smile. Page 1, page 2. Sige, sige. Go ahead, Coach. Hold on, guys. Turn on your cameras. Kanina, wala. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yung paldo na smile. Ayan. Alright. Another one pa pala.
Sige.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Alright, thank you, everyone. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat nandito. God bless po. Happy trading.